leg. What's that?
I think she slipped on the rug.
I think she had a seizure. Wait, stop. Put it like behind your back.